How to make retail strips in Microsoft Excel, Part 2. Bringing your retail strip into a Word document. Once your retail strip is complete, you must insert it into a Word document before you submit it. Open up a Word document. Click on the Insert tab, select Table, Excel Spreadsheet. Resize the table so that it covers the entire page. Note, only resize it when the table is double-clicked. So let's say you double-click out of it and you want to resize it. That's the wrong way of doing it because it deforms the scale. So simply just double-click on the table again and resize it so that it covers the whole page. Once you're done, double-click out of it to secure it in place. Back in Excel, select all the cells you have used by clicking and dragging. Right-click the selection and click Copy. Go back into the Word document and double-click on the table once again. Right-click on the top left cell and click Paste. Double-click out of the table to secure it in place. If your retail strip extends beyond a single page, as in there's a second page, have it continue on to the next page by making a second table in the second page of the Word document. So back in Word, on the second page, go to Insert Table, Excel Spreadsheet once more, and resize it once again so that it covers the entire page. And double-click out of it. Go back to your Excel sheet and select the rest of your retail strip. Click and drag it. Right-click the selection, click Copy, go back into Word, double-click on your second table, right-click on the first top cell, and click Paste, and double-click to get out of it. Resizing rows and columns. Now that your retail strip is nearly complete, consider resizing the rows and columns for aesthetic appeal. Let's do this to make our stores appear more square in shape. So double-click on your table again. Hover your mouse over the letter column names at the top until your cursor changes into a resize arrow. Click and drag the column left or right to resize it. While you're doing this, a box is open that tells you how long in pixels your column width is. Release the mouse button when you are satisfied. So let's make this 5. Repeat this for all the columns with the stores. So let's all make them 5 for consistency. You can also do the same for the rows, but you don't need to in this case. Remember, if your retail strips extends beyond one page, you must do the same for the second table on the second page so that they're consistent. So here we double click on the second table and make them all 5. Double-click outside of the table to view how it will look. To get rid of the grid lines, once again double-click on the table, go into View, and then uncheck the grid lines. If you double-click again, this is how your retail strip will look like. So let's just do the same here. If you're having major issues copying and pasting the retail strip from Excel to Word, you can always try inserting it as an image. So in Excel, zoom out so that you see the entire page in the view. So let's zoom out. Under the View tab, uncheck Grid Lines once again. On your keyboard, press the Print Screen SysRQ button on the top right, or any other screen capture button on your keyboard to take a snapshot of the screen. In a program like Paint or Photoshop, click Paste. Then select your retail strip and copy and paste it into Word. So let's just select this. Right click, copy, Let's go back into Word. And you can paste it as an image. Only attempt this method as a last resort. For further instruction in Excel, please visit us at the UTM Library's AstraZeneca Center for Information and Technological Literacy on the 3rd floor Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 p.m.